Hello friends, I am Dr. Kalpana Kotecha, the founder and director of Amazo Health. Amazo Health comes up with formulations of homeopathic medicines which are advanced formulations prepared for particular illnesses and for all the acute and chronic problems. So today we are going to talk about hair fall. This is a very prevailing problem today, especially during the pandemic. People have a lot of stress. There is environmental stress, there is air, water, food. Every stress results into hair fall. Basically, hair fall happens. The cause of hair fall is deficiency of vitamin B5 and vitamin E. Along with that, the metaphysical deficiencies are basically restrictions to your freedom. Hair fall is a symbol of freedom. So if you have sudden changes in your life where you have to adapt your lifestyle to a certain environmental changes or lifestyle changes, there's quite a possibility that you might get hair fall. So along with taking your vitamin supplements and all that, we have formulated this medicine BioGrow. BioGrow is a combination formulation which has biochemic tissue remedies of kali mur and silicea, which arrest your hair fall, rapid hair fall which is happening due to sudden changes in water or lifestyle or environment. Thallium is the medicine for that. Along with that, we have APs, fluoric acid, certain remedies which help you to overcome or adapt very fast to the environment, and it arrests the rapid hair fall immediately within a week as soon as you start this medicine. Along with that, I would suggest you to add to you Amazo hair gel. This is an advanced formulation. This is not a medicine. Medicine has its own role and vitamins or the supplements has its own role. So the skin and hair is the largest exposed organ of our body, and that is why we need to apply something externally, and we need to take care of that exactly as we take care of our bowels or our heart or our brain. So I would suggest you to apply this. It contains patent formulated aloe vera jelly along with 5 homeopathic medications which acts as a hair tonic to your hair. It supplements your hair or the roots or the scalp of your head to nourish the hair properly, to strengthen them so that you do not get hair fall, and even thicken your hair. So you have to apply this thrice a week at bedtime. It's a combination jelly and homeopathic. You just have to take 1 teaspoon of it in a cup. You apply it on the scalp at night, bedtime, and you have to wash it next day with this mild aloe jojoba shampoo. Now again, this is a patent aloe vera shampoo, and it's a very mild shampoo, so it suits all the type of skin, all the type of hair, whether it is a normal hair, because the pH of aloe vera adapts to your scalp. It can be also used over treated hair which is colored, or which is also you have this straightening and all these keratin treatments and all done. This is a mild shampoo. It can be used for all. It adapts to all type of hair. So in the morning you have to wash this. So you follow this course for a month, and I'm sure that not only your hair fall will be arrested, but it will also give you very strong, long and healthy hair. Thank you very much. Please, if you want to buy any of these products, we have the link below this, and you can click on the link and immediately buy those products online for yourself. We do have a package product also, a discounted package product for this. Do build up your hair strengthen with this. Please do like, subscribe and share this video if you feel it will help somebody. Thank you very much.